Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this heart filling up animation on CapCut PC. So go to library and add in a wide stock video. I'm just going to select the heart shape. If the duration is long enough, just freeze frame it, but this is enough for me. And then you're just going to add in a color on top of that, maybe like this pink on top, or even like this gradient one. You can do that as well. I'm just going to do that for mine. And then select heart shape, and you're just going to do it for like the whole thing, so like resize it, or you can leave a space if you want to, but I'm just going to resize it the same. Then you're going to select this, right click, create compound clip, and then you're going to select horizontal and you're going to rotate it this way. You can also feather it out just a little bit if you want to, but I'm just going to leave it like this. Place your line here at a keyframe. And at the end, you're going to place it up here. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!